Hi, what's up, Vechain holder? So what's going on? Today video is very special for all Vechain holder because my brother, and it's absolutely my friend. Especially I have a good news. So this is the main reason, my friend, of my happiness. My friend, 2.81% the price is increased in last 24 hours, especially in last 6 hours, my friend. They will take a very huge jump. So therefore, I make this urgent video, my friend, because we will predicate this coin, my friend, is just and only in the morning. So therefore, my friend, I will update you to what we will need to do and can their price will pumps up or not. My friend, expert says to upcoming time there is a 70% chance to reach in price will pumps up and 30% chance to the price will fails down. 30% chance because my brother, in those days, especially short-term investor who invest in the start of month and sell at the end of month, they are starting selling. So therefore, my friend, there is 30% chance to people or start sale now today. But my friend, 70% chance to price will pumps up because my brother, in those days the price is increasing. So when the price will increasing, the holder are starting investing more and more. So therefore, my friend, there is a 70% chance to the price will increasing in upcoming time. So kindly holder, this is just an only, my friend, please research personally and take a decision. So therefore, I just recommend you, I just share my opinion and I just advise you to please hold now, don't sell it and wait for the end of this month, my friend. When the price will fails down, then start now. I hope, my friend, you will earn a lot of money from this now. So thanks for watching. Vechain holder, please like video and also subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos.